YouTube? It's your boy Davo coming to y'all with another YouTube video, man. Make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure that y'all turn on post notifications, man, because this video finna be easy to sell. We finna ride through the rich neighborhoods, somewhere I ain't supposed to be, because I'm broke as hell. What you on, Tay-Nose? Oh, he tweaking. What is that? He tripping. Got Tay-Nose, got Bracy Curry with me. Getting my little hand wash right now. $10. 10 bucks. You know what they talking about? They ain't even speaking English, but it's cool though. I still rock with them. Heard they do good work over here, so you know I had to come over here and give me a little hand wash. Hopefully they don't put no swirls on my shit. Hopefully all of y'all doing good though, man. Hopefully all of y'all ate y'all little peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Get y'all some popcorn right now though, cause this video finna be decent, man. Let y'all know when this joint done. Yeah, they getting this joint right.
I'll bite that motherfucking chicken bone for $50, Jordan.
Talking about $50, he'll bite this chicken bone. He tripping. Ugh. He tweaking. He finna pick that motherfucker up. Yo ass go catch Ebola. Oh, yeah, he tweaking. That motherfucker got rabies. He tripping. Pneumonia. He's trying to throw that shit on me. Ugh. Yeah, he tripping. Ugh, yeah, he tripping. Shorty little ass nasty. What kind of earrings them is? Where them earrings from?
They from Beauty Supply.
Talking about Beauty Supply. Them bitches shining.
Pouring out some more.
This bitch glistening. I should have showed y'all before and after, but it's cool. What are you doing in my neighborhood? I know they got some fat houses over here. Folks just had an M4. Turn down this block. See, I need me with something with a 6-car garage. That's what I need. He finna do something. Alright, get on his ass. That crib decent. Nah though, y'all. We finna go to the $1 million crib, man. This is just to get y'all a little something for right now. This ain't nothing. This is just for right now. Look at them. They're like, oh my God, a kitty. Talking about have one by next year. His damn daddy go buy one next year. Big Jeep ski. Oh, that's a gated community. Talking about keep us out the neighborhood. She like, why you keep spinning a block? No, we not supposed to be. Look at her walking fast. She on so bad. Get the fuck out. Nah, though, y'all. We finna go to the real cribs where we ain't supposed to be at. Where the kiddies ain't supposed to be at. Y'all know they be hating on the Mopa community, but it's cool though. Bright as fuck. Fucking up the rotation. See, they finna have a little quinceañera. Little party. See, I'm cool with a decent house like one of these, man. Turn down her. See, if there's some kiddies out here, tell one of the boys come scoop one of these bitches up tonight, 3 a.m. car coming. You tweaking.
I be thinking that shit happened to me, folks. When that bitch, the sound, when that sound drop, it just feels.
He got some little decent little, yeah. But yeah though, y'all, man, $1 million crib, shorty, you gotta buzz in to go to them joints. But these low-key $1 million cribs, cause the area we in, bro. Like this area. Damn, they got like 15 cars in their driveway. See, you gotta buzz in to go over there, y'all. But that's where we was trying to go. But shit. If one of y'all last live over there, man, let me buzz in. Make this right turn for y'all. Big 300, man. Hey, y'all, let me know how y'all feel about them 300Cs, bro. To me, them joints is ass. Scat pack engines, and them joints like 70 plus. Ooh. They say Lil Wayne niece live over here, y'all. That joint highlight as hell. This motherfucker elegant.
JJ.
Let's see what my doggy on. Damn, it's a lamb right here. Euro. Yo. Shit, I'm in Monster right now, just riding through, bro. Riding through the neighborhood. Where you at?
I'm in Monster right now, too, bro.
Oh, yeah. Meet you somewhere like shit. Pull up anything. It don't matter. Somebody got a lamb over here in this neighborhood. For that bitch look wet, all black.
I don't know. Where you at? What neighborhood you from?
Bro, these joints over fat.
Yeah, no, them cribs over there big as fuck. Alright, bet. I got you. I got some places. Alright, I'm let's link up that, shit, I would say Centennial.
Centennial, I bet.
That's like right there.
Yeah, yep.
Yeah.
I bet I'm on my way right now. Alright. Got my boy Jay pulling up, man. Woo. He's almost ran that bitch. He might be in his AMG, man. He might be in his Scatty. It all depends. But I'm already knowing he gonna bring out that AMG. He in that joint every day. He don't even drive the Scatty. He might as well let Tasty have that bitch. He might as well let Bracy Curry have that bitch. He don't even know Bracy, damn.
Don't get that bitch to me.
Can't believe Brody just had a lamb out there. See, everybody got Teslas, bro. Y'all keep telling me don't jump Tesla, but I might for the community. I might have to jump Tesla, bro, for a little daily. Damn, they deep over there. I don't even go turn over there. All of them look like they'll have you get out the car and hang you. Damn, yeah, that bitch decent. Let's go meet this nigga Jay. That one for sale. I think I seen that one. That one was like 1.2 M's. So as y'all could see, this motherfucker never been this clean. But bro, I still got these bugs and shit. I mean, I should have got on their ass. Still got these damn bugs on my car. That's cool though. And I did scrape the wheel a little bit. I scraped the wheel well, but it's cool, y'all. Damn. Fucking gas light up. They done left my damn gas pump open. Still waiting on this nigga Jay to pull up. His drive's taking his sweet time. Y'all know Jay, man. I be coming late to the party, but my boy Jay, he be coming over late to the party. Oh, bro. Folks be taking his sweet time. Chilling with the lady. Look at who it is. Late to the party like usual. Nah.
Fashionably late.
That joint sounds so tough. I know I say it every time, but that joint, bro.
I'm tired of it.
Yeah, this bitch don't even sound like a Mercedes. Yeah, this joint need a wash. His ass done been at the beach and back. Back to back. What you on, my boy? I just got my shit light detail, nothing too crazy. Shit. Oh, bro. I wanted to go to that damn dealership, bro, but they closed at like 6, bro. Right. Depending on the date, shit. Yeah. Outside with me. I was not expecting them to pop out with me, but yeah, I'll see. Got them things pulling up. It's a C63S, by the way, too. If y'all new to the channel, this is a C63S. That's JJ Omar shit. Omar's TV. Make sure that y'all subscribe to this channel too. Copyright strike. Sky look decent as hell. Play with these powder shifters for y'all. Got chilly as hell outside that fast.
They just cut the grass.
Oh. crib. Damn. This shit sound like an MP5. Damn. That bitch jumbo as hell. Yeah, that motherfucker sitting on the corner. This shit just really amazed me, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Don't none of these motherfuckers say for sale. Shit. Yeah, it's got a full house.
Some shit I wanna say to you. Purple AMG when I pull up there like I know it's you. I be mixing potions in my cup, I'm like a wizard, dude. 100K inside my bank account, little nigga, what about you? Pull up talking about you, that nigga, who the fuck is you? I been getting used to seeing green like what the fuck the blue. That nigga everywhere I go, little boy, I don't know about you. Mary had to tell like Jay, you trippin', they can't fuck with you. I'm in my bag, now these niggas mad when they can't fuck with you. Two different type of niggas, hell nah, I can't stand with you. Niggas say they gon' run down on me. I'm like, nigga, I'ma keep my foot on niggas' necks until their hair turn blue. Smoking lemon, cherry gelato, mix it with sherblato. I threw the deal out, 100K cash on, gotta pay no condo. Skirt up off the lot out in Chicago, tryna dodge these clips. I love this free bitch, suck me up today, she gon' come back tomorrow. Type of nigga, fuck a nigga, bitch, I ain't sorry, never had no sorrow. AMG, I might come back in a new Jaguar tomorrow. Cartier, that's why I got 2 watches, not no automatic. Niggas broke, can't even pick up bitches, cause they done ain't got no car.